I'm getting ready to make funky bow to go on two of the fireplace pieces that are going to go on each corner. And so I'm going to lower the camera so you can watch me do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, what I'm going to do is my furniture has a lot of burgundy in it. And so I want to use these pieces here, these burgundy pieces that have the gold edging. I love this. It's like velvet or felt. So I've cut 3 pieces of these for each bow, so I have a total of 6. And I had them in the other bow, but I really did not like the colors I had with it, so I took it apart. So I have 3 of these for one bow and 3 for the other bow. I'm going to cut them 20 inches. And so that's what those are, 20 inches. So I'm going to cut this here, which is fall leaves, but it has burgundy and the gold in it. And then I'm going to use this gold, which is, it says wired, but boy, oh boy, it's barely wired. Anyhow, it does say wired edge. So I'm going to cut 3 for each one. So I'll cut 6 of these, and I'll cut 6 of these, and I'll probably speed the camera up. So here we go. I'm going to do 20 inches. I'm going to dovetail all the ends of these. I'm going to do a couple at a time. So everybody does it different, you know. I fold them in half and then grab my scissors here. Then I go towards the outside with them. And I fold them in half. And I go from the fold to the outside. So there's that. And here's 2 more. You can, let me do it the opposite way so you can see it. You can actually go from the outside in if you want. That feels awkward to me, but you can do it any way that feels comfortable to you and the way you like to do it. Okay, and 2 more of these. And I may fast forward through some of this as well. Okay, so I have all of these ready. So I'm going to get, I have some of these. It really won't show. I'm not going to let it show. So I'll just use a red one. I don't think you'll be able to see it at all. So what I'm going to do is I'll line these up, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. 1, 2, 3. This will be for the other next bow. Now, a lot of times you use longer if you want a bigger bow, or you can use shorter. You can use 4 colors. I'm going to kind of stick with these because of the colors of my living room. This is what I'm doing for my living room. Now I will be doing different ribbon and a different funky bow for the wreath that goes outside. So I'll start with this one. Now usually you can go in, you know, barely got them 20 because by the time you cut them off. So it looks like what I
So
did
anyhow,
before.
I think that's
what I'll do is I'll just go 6 and 6. And it actually looks like that's what I did before. So you can, you scrunch them together. And then you have to turn, turn these out. Because it's a one-sided bow. The other side is just, you can see, just kind of yuck. Okay. Then we're going to take the next one. We're going to do the same thing. Going to go 6 and 6. You can just kind of judge it too. And I'm going to pinch it and have it coming down from the other direction. I'm going to turn the bow because it also has actually I did the whole thing inside out. So there you go. There you go. So because it has a very shiny, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a very shiny leaf. Pretty, very pretty. Okay, 1, 2, and then we're going to use one of these that says that it's pretty much the same on each side. Yeah, it's exactly the same on each side. Turn it like it's naturally wants to turn down, so. Okay, so. We'll put this one on this side. Just put those out. I like the combination of it. I think it's going to look nice in my living room. The other one I did was so dark that I didn't like it. So I had to take it apart. I had a really dark plaid with it. It just didn't look good. This is a little bit hard to hold, I'm not going to lie. There we go. You can totally readjust it all after you get it together. And this one needs to go up this time. And turn the fronts to the front. No, I did it upside down again. I must have them laid upside down. There we go. Okay. Maybe if I turn this a little bit more towards this way. And I'll hold it up part of the time. Yeah, this one wants to go up this time. Needs to. We'll turn this towards the front. And this one towards the front. Then we need a gold one. And we'll do 6 and 14. And the gold needs to go down this time. And then back to the last one of these. 15. I'm actually having to, this is so hard on my thumbs today that I'm having to actually just putting it between my thumb and finger way down because it hurts. Okay. There we go. And then we go back to this one again. And we're going to go 6 and 14. Whoa. This one doesn't want to do it that way. 2 and 14. There we go. And it actually goes down this time as well. And then it's to the front. Turn this one over because it wants to tend to go that way anyhow. So we'll do a 14. And it goes up this time. All right, now I'm going to put this on. And I can always cut some of the tails off if I need to. And I'm going to twist it as tight as I can to hold it there. All right, now let's work on it. So I guess you can just fuss with these all day. And I'll work on these, you know, because I'll have to actually connect it. But that's going to look nice. So I'm going to make another bow just like this. I got to cut out 2 more because I added 2 more of these, and I added 1 more of these and 1 more of these. So, all right, I'll be right back. That's why it's so important to have wired ribbon, because you can manipulate it this way, that way, and the other way. Yeah. So anyhow, I'll get busy and get this part done, and then I'll show it to you. Okay, friends, so here we go. I made these bows a little earlier to go on this piece here, and it was gonna go on the corner of the fireplace on the marble portion of it. I made it with this ribbon thinking that was gonna as one of the ribbons, but it just stuck out so bright that I didn't like it at all. So I took them all out and I added this checks, because I thought it actually goes with my furniture really well and everything. And then my plan, of course, is to, you know, have one of these going one direction and one of them going the opposite direction down on the marble portion of the fire. Stay tuned, and I will get busy and get these on the fireplace, and also I'm going to make an arrangement to go on top of my hutch. So that's probably good for this time, so I'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.